Yo, what's up YouTube? This your boy RT Mario back with another video, and today, man, we have by far the biggest car to ever grace this channel, y'all. I mean, it's amazing, y'all. Y'all ready to see it? I'm talking about the Big B, and I ain't talking about the Boston Red Sox. Y'all ready? Yes, the 2020 Bentley Bentayga. As y'all can see, it comes in the Omi white. Shout out to Omi and the Hellcat. Let's take a look around. Very beautiful car. As y'all can see, man, let's get it in all of its glory. See, I can't even talk, man. I'm so amazed. Now the MSRP on this car is $160,000. The horsepower is 443. The engine is a 3.0 liter V6. Transmission is an 8-speed automatic, and it's an all-wheel drive. If you want something with power and prestige, this is the car. The seating capacity is 5 people, and it goes 0 to 60 in 5.2 seconds. As you can see on the front of the exterior, you have the Bentley wings. Right here, you have that world famous blacked out honeycomb grille. Let's go to the headlights, my favorite part. As you can see, the Bentley inside the headlights. How cool is that? And it looked like it got some diamonds or something. Look like diamonds are in it. As you can see, the bumper. Let's go to the side. The side vent. And you have these 21-inch chromed out Bentley rims with the big B in the middle. And as you can see, the brake caliper all blacked out with the Bentley. Let's go to the back. And the tail lights, as you can see, very nice tail lights. Now the 2021 tail lights are new. They're like a thin oval. But as you can see, the big B, as you can see in the tail lights. You have an exhaust. Very nice double pipe. Let's take a look inside. Let's take a look inside the interior. As you can see, this thing is just red to the max. Red velvet seats. Red velvet. The side, you have your power locks, your power windows. You have your seat controls. You have your brake and accelerator with the big B in the middle. The stitching on here is very fine. I mean, it's awesome. It's just very tight. You have the big B Bentley wings embroidered in the seats. All right, guys, let's see, can we get it? Oh yeah, check this out. You have Bentley on the door seal. As you can see, Let's see, can we get in? Oh, it's hard to get in. And as you guys can see, man, it's so hot out here, man. You have your air vent. You have some more air vents. You have 2 air vents. You have your analog clock. You have an air vent over here. The dashboard, glove compartment, power windows, power locks on the other side. Right here you have your infotainment system right here. You got your radio, navigation. It look like the home button, whatever that is. You got your media, telephone. Right here you have your climate control. You have your heated and ventilated seats, fan speed. You have your max defogger, the cabin cool, your rear defogger, AC, AC max, and your sink. And the same side, on the other side, my bad, you have your heated and ventilated seats for the passenger. Now we have this Bentley steering wheel, 3-spoke, with your button dials to control the infotainment system. Right here you have your instrument cluster with your tachometer and your speedometer, and you have your fuel gauge and your temperature gauge. You have your headlights, your headlight button, and the stop. You have your, what it is, cruise control. You have your lights, headlights, and you have your windshield wiper to control the windshield wiper. Right here you have your gear shift with the big B. You have your park, and you also, you have your regular, reverse, neutral, drive. You have your PDC button, your P button. You have your park brake. You also have your hazard lights. Right here you have your traction control, and here you have your start, stop, engine button with your drive mode: sport, Bentley, comfort, custom. And then you have a off button. And you have some type of tilt, or maybe this might be the traction control, I don't know. But you have the 2 cup holders. You have your glove compartment. I mean, not the glove compartment, but you have a console right here. I mean, this is very nice, man. I'm talking about, just straight red, man. I love the red. See, like the bottom of a Louboutin shoe, red bottoms, as you guys can see. Man, it is so hot. It is so hot. Let's take a look in the back. Let's close this. And in the back, you have the same thing. You have your power lock, power window, your Bentley on the door seal. Very nice carpet, I must say. In the back, you have an air vent. You have 2 air vents, and you also have a little LCD screen to control the climate or whatever you need to control. I mean, this is nice, man. This is awesome. By far the biggest car on this channel, by far. Y'all remember when I said I want the Lamborghini, I want the Rolls Royce, but today, man, I got the Bentley. Such a blessing, man. Never thought I had this car on this channel. And as you can see in the back, you see some type of like compartment back there. We won't go in the back today, but as y'all can see, you could probably fit your groceries and your luggage and whatever you need to fit back there. But yes, oh yeah, you have your panoramic view. Awesome. Yes, man, this is a beautiful car, man. Beautiful. And yeah, man, I'm not gonna bore y'all too much, man. I mean, this car speaks for itself. You know what I'm saying? It's just to me, sometimes I feel like I shouldn't even be in this car presence right now, but hey, I am, man, and it's a blessing. As y'all can see, man, I mean, I'm just admiring this car, man. I don't want to stop filming. But yeah, man. And like I say, man, you don't have to be a rapper or a ball player or, you know, a singer or some type of entertainer to obtain this car. Man, you can be on top of your game in whatever profession you in. You can be an architect, a doctor, a lawyer, whatever. You just got to be the top of your profession. You can even be a barber. You just got to cut everybody's hair. But yeah, man, this ends this 2020 Bentley review. I can't talk, y'all. I'm just so amazed and awe. But yeah, this ends the 2020 Bentley Bentayga review. And like I say, man, this is your boy RT Mario signing off.